Hey guys, how's it going? It's Flat Earth Sage. I was out going on a walk and came across um, one of the more interesting plants, more interesting edible plants. Let me try to position this so you guys can see it good. This right here, this right here is called mayapple, and it's still pretty young. Um, I wouldn't suggest eating the leaves just yet because it's young. And with this plant, it does produce a fruit. Usually, like right underneath the leaves, it'll produce um, sort of like an orange berry kind of thing. Um, Now, it is edible. However, it's only edible when it's completely ripe. And as you can see, the season's just started, so it's still just in the beginning stages of growing right now. But this, when the fruit does form and it does ripen, this is edible. So for those of you guys worried about food shortages and whatnot, this is a great edible right here. And the berry does have a significant source of vitamin C. Um, so yeah. The only thing with mayapple though is, at least on from what I've noticed, it is difficult to tell when it's ripened. Um, Usually, certain people say different things, but usually when the berry is 100% orange, it's usually ripened, and it's usually good to eat. Um, so I'm gonna try to remember this spot and come back later in the season to where it's formed its berry. Usually, it only produces about one berry. I guess sometimes it could produce two. Um, but yeah, I just saw this and I thought I'd make a little quick video on this um, for anyone out there interested in foraging. So yeah, also, let me just go over the characteristics of this plant. Now, it's in kind of like mm, it's in kind of like almost like a clover kind of shape. The leaves are heart-shaped, elongated and heart-shaped, and usually, as you can tell here, um, well, right now the leaves are tipped, but when it gets older, these leaves will round off. The tips will round off, and the stalk is like a yellowish, almost kind of leading up to a white, almost from a greenish to a yellowish to a white for the stem. Um, so yeah, um, keep these in mind right here, because I would say maybe in a month or two, it's gonna have its berry. I don't know for certain if it'll be ripe in about a month or two, but like I said, if it's fully orange, usually that's ripe, and so yeah, uh, just thought I'd bring you all along for that, for this little identification. Anyway, guys, hope you guys are doing good. Peace.